A headband. A tutu. And some stickers for the windows. Hannah, have fun. And a card.
I want to open it.
Okay, open it.
Nobody ever opened it except for me.
Because it has your name on it. Do you need help? No.
I'm the big girl.
You're the big girl. You are. Look at that. You got it open. What is it? I can read it. It says,
Open it.
It says, granddaughter. Hope your Halloween bubble's over with happy. Love, Nani. And she gave you this. Look. There's a matching headband with the tutu. What do you tell Nani?
Thank you, Nani.
You're such a dork. Okay, we'll have to send Nani a picture of it later. Okay.
I don't want to put it on.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this. Is that a good smile?
Is that a good smile with your head on your shoulder? I guess. Okay, I'm going to say bye to Nani.
Bye, Nani.